Alrighty guys, what is going on? Merry Christmas to everybody. I'm over here at my house right now. Finally made it. I'm so sorry that I did not put out a video earlier ago. I already had a video all marked up and everything like that. But I had some issues with my laptop and I ended up buying a brand new camera, okay, which I am recording on right now. Also watching some basketball, but I got the Alienware 17R, okay. So, but that's my new editing rig, and I got the Sony ZV-1, yeah, ZV-1, right? So, but we're gonna go ahead and turn off these lights, and we're gonna head into the other room, okay? Let me know how the quality is, okay? So far, I like it. It's been really good. And now I gotta go into the cold room, the cold part of the house. We're over here in the basement, my dad's. Check out some of his, let me flip the monitor around. So check out some of his models over here that he has. I'll do a little montage, okay, right before I get done, okay? So, but we got some goodies for the truck, okay, in this box. And then I got some more lights for the truck, and I ordered some air knobs as well. But you guys know that I already put on some different ones, okay? So the lights that I got were, these are the floodlights, okay? But unfortunately, I already found some. So they are some blue two-piece lights, okay? I think I will not put these on, but I will still take them with me on the truck and have them as a spare, okay? But yeah, Osmus got them off Amazon. Everything I got here off Amazon except that box over there. Got me some knobs, some air valve knobs, which are totally fine. And right now I currently have these right here in red and blue, okay? But these are going to be nice to have. The only thing I don't like about these is they're not weighted enough, okay? But let me go ahead and set up the camera, guys, and I will show you what I got, okay? The main thing that I got, that's one thing with this camera, is I gotta stand a little bit further away because the zoom is not that big. But, dun dun dun, we got Roadworks. These have been waiting for me for a while. But got me some 18-inch or 21. What are these? God, I ordered these so long ago. I already forgot what specs they are, but I am pretty sure 8. Doesn't say on here. I think these are. Actually, you know what I could do? I could do something like this, and I could remember it. These are what, 8-inch? Yeah, so these are 8-inch drop-down visors that I got. But I gotta go ahead and see, can I find scissors in here? This is not my workshop, this is my dad's. Currently staying at their house. So what I'm gonna do real quick here is go ahead and open these up. I am not too worried that I will scratch these up, because we will be painting these, alright? They're not that bad, but the only problem I see right now is, let me not cut myself and put these over here. The problem that I see right now is these got, I don't know if you guys can see it, but they got 2 holes in them. I don't need the holes. I don't know why the holes are in here. You see, you can see my hand moving. But, I don't know. I am not sure I'm not sure why there's 2 holes in here. What? Oh my gosh. Alright. So, now let's head over to the truck, mark these up and see how they fit, and then we'll come back here, and probably later on I'll send these down and stuff like that. My family's getting ready to go exercise, okay? And I'm gonna go have some fun, so let's go. What's the commotion for?
No, watch Lamborghini, the movie.
Lamborghini, the movie.
Yeah. Stand aside. Watch.
JJ, come here.
Like the photograph.
Yeah. You good dog.
Throw it.
What, JJ?
Here you go. Ah! Switcheroo. She needs traction control.
Alright, we're loaded. Let's go ahead and head over to the truck. Oh man. Alright, let's go. Yes. Check on my truck.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go too.
Well, then let's take your car. Well, Mom has the dog seat in it. Unless you want to play musical chairs and move all that. Alright, guys. We are back. Went to the truck, picked up some laundry bag I had, and then I also picked up some not important stuff, right? So, but I pretty much went over to the truck, started it up, made sure everything was good. I looked at the holes as well. I could not find anything that was the holes could be used for, okay? And actually, yes, there was. I completely forgot, okay? So this is the these are the passenger side, and on my passenger side I have a side mirror, or a mirror that looks down to the steps, but I took that off, okay? Excuse me. For the old ones I didn't have holes drilled out or anything like that, because those were meant for a 379 or a 389 that I just kind of bought from a, let me get better lighting over here. Look completely white. Alright, so like I was saying, I got those for just like random, you know. You saw them and I just purchased them, you know. Wanted to have my truck a little bit different, okay. But anyways, guys, like I again said, sorry for the no upload during December or whatnot. It is still December, but I had my laptop break and I was out on the road, and whenever I try to transfer file from the old to the new computer, the audio would work whenever I would play, but whenever I put it into the software, it would not work whatsoever, okay? So, but it's okay. It's Christmas for me right now. I'm going to try to edit this and post it on a Christmas day as well. Try to get it done and stuff like that. But we're just going to go ahead, enjoy Christmas, have a nice dinner, and watch some movies. And I will be back on January 1st, okay? Unless something comes up cool to film at home, I probably won't. And I don't know, I'm just gonna relax, do some laundry, watch some movies, go watch. I don't know. I do want to go watch the new Avatar tomorrow. Okay, so with that, guys, being said, thank you all very much for tuning into this video. Y'all stay awesome, keep trucking, and I'll see you on the next video. And Merry Christmas.
Little too much southern comfort, hanging with my friends, all playing games. We all started at a full house, ended up just me and good old James. I could've swore that I was winning, kinda had a feeling. Last thing I remember, I was drinking till the moonshine.